Hey loves, welcome back. I am so excited for today's video because this is a video that is definitely long overdue, and I feel like it's going to help so many people out because this is the time of year that we start to purge and declutter and organize. And as you can see, my pantry is in dire need of purging, organization, and cleaning. So we are going to go ahead and tackle this bad boy. Everything is just completely it is just like a tornado swept through here. I have so much stuff. I don't even know what I have in my pantry, to be honest. But I am going to take you along this awesome organization. And before we get started, I want to go ahead and thank Top Cashback and Grove Collaborative for partnering with me on this video. Top Cashback is basically a website that you can order online, and in addition, you will get a percentage back of your order. So with Top Cashback, you can actually go to the Grove Collaborative site, and you are going to get $4 back with just signing up for your first time. So that's pretty awesome. In addition to that though, Top Cashback is going to give you a $10 sign up bonus when you spend $25 at Grove Collaborative. So many of you guys ask me where I get my products from, and this is actually where I do get my products from. Grove Collaborative is a natural, all organic website that you can basically shop for everything, all of your personal needs, from healthcare to cleaning products to pet to even vitamins, which I absolutely love. It's a subscription service, so you would actually get a monthly subscription to the products that you choose. And in my last video, I had such a large response from where it was that I got my Caldrea products, and this is actually where I got my Caldrea products from. So if you look at the website and search for Caldrea, you'll actually see that there are different options. You can get a hostess kit or just single items. And if you spend $25 at Grove Collaborative, like I said, you will get $10 back from Top Cashback for signing up. You will also get a free bundle gift set, which I'll share with you guys in just a minute, as well as $4 on all new Grove Collaborative signups. So definitely an amazing deal that you want to take advantage of. You can actually modify your subscription, so you can modify the cents, you can modify how often you receive that subscription, if you want to receive it every month, if you want to receive it every 2 months, or even up to 6 months. You can also cancel that subscription and just order a new product. So this is a great way to have all of your toiletries, like lotion, toilet paper, toilet bowl cleaner, just different things that maybe you use on a regular basis, delivered directly to your doorstep. So very easy and user-friendly website that you can use. I do like Top Cashback because they actually work with over 4,000 retailers, and they will give you 100% commission back to their members. So definitely different than other cashback programs that you might use or have heard of. I actually do about 90% of my shopping is done online. So if I'm going to save money, that's a huge bonus. And if I'm going to get money back, that's even a bigger bonus. But this is the home kit that I actually got. It's a bundle that includes the multi-surface spray, the dish soap, and the hand soap, along with the walnut scrubbers, and this really cute Grove Collaborative caddy so that you can actually carry your cleaning products along with you when you're cleaning your house. So the first thing that I like to do is refill my hand soap dispenser. I did get this hand soap dispenser from the Grove Collaborative website, and I love it because it's just very classy, very clean. So if you don't want those colors from the containers kind of on your shelf, if you want to make it more streamlined, then this is a really great dispenser that you can use. So I'm just filling this up, and I actually got the honeysuckle scent, which is perfect for this time of year because I am ready for spring. I know so many of you guys are still getting snow and it still feels like winter. Trust me, I know where you're coming from because I just came from Colorado. So I am missing the winter, but I'm also embracing the spring. So definitely a great scent to get me going with that. Okay, so the first thing that I did was I went to Walmart and I picked up a few things. I actually got these at Home Depot because they're really sturdy and large. So these were $4.95, I think, $4.98. And then I got these containers, which are really cool because you just like pop it open and then they're vacuum sealed. Or I guess like, what is it? Not vacuum sealed, airtight. So I got 3 of these. I think I'm gonna put cereal in them. And then I got a ton of these little ones. These are about $2.97 at Walmart. And I like just that they're clear, white lid. And then I got a couple of these. And right now what I'm going to do is I am going to start adding everything onto my countertop space. So this is what we're gonna empty out. Oh, this has actually been so embarrassing to show you guys, but I have stuff just kind of like, I think I even have empty containers that we're not using, that of course the Cheez-Its are just right there. So I just have a ton of stuff that we are just going to, I mean, purge. And okay, so how do you know when to throw your scrubbers away? It's basically when they look like this. So I kept this way too long. I mean, much longer than I normally do, but I mean, it is just, is a mess right now. You wanna leave behind, get all those cold eyes cold looking, or saying bye bye bye. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos, just a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know there's a remedy, 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 yeah. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. Okay, so after I've emptied everything out and placed it on the counter, I'm just going through here. I was gonna wipe down this like a liner, but I'm still debating on whether or not I want to use it. But you can see that, I mean, there's just, I honestly don't even know how it got so dirty. I mean, I know that there was going to be crumbs, but there's stains from like soy sauce and just different liquid products. So it is just pretty disgusting, to be honest. So here I am just emptying everything out and just kind of checking the status of my shelves. I did think about reusing the liners, but I think I'm gonna just pass on that. And this is actually medicine that I guess the lid wasn't closed properly, so it spilled all over the floor. I know I've had people say that my house does look clean, but trust me, it's not. I actually don't even know when the last time I moved any of this stuff to clean under it. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. It's no remedy, yeah. And here I am showing you guys that there's stains on my walls. So again, I don't know how this even happens, but when you have kids, I guess anything is possible, right? So I do have the wall paint in here, the same as my house. It's Repost Gray. That's probably the #1 question I get on every video. So Sherwin-Williams Repost Gray. I have it painted also into my pantry. Okay, so I went ahead and grabbed a black trash bag from the garage because I have a feeling I am going to be purging a ton of stuff. Here I am going through everything, checking expiration date, things that were like open and left in the fridge. If you guys have kids, you know exactly what I mean. It was like granola bars, the packaging was open, somebody took a bite and then they would stick it back in there. Open bags of like cookies, crackers, chips, just things like that. And then after emptying everything, I decided to go ahead and wash everything, especially new containers. If you have new containers that you're going to be using and storing food in, make sure that you wash all of that prior to using them. And then I am sweeping and using my favorite steam mop. This one, I guess the cleaners, what what is it, the mop head is a little bit cleaner. This is another one that I'm using. But just on a different note, I tried soaking my mop head in OxiClean. It's been soaking for 7 days. The other one still looks exactly the same. So thank you guys so much for your tips on that, but nothing is working. Clorox, OxiClean, nothing is working. So just thought I'd give you guys that update.
Every change has a reason, baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong, baby, you and I, baby.
Okay, so I think I have everything where I want them to be. Some of the stuff I just basically kept in its containers, and then I kind of just wanted to play around with that and see. So now I have to fill everything, which is the fun part. And then I'm going to label everything also.
When I should start living now, with the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now, 'cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. We are close, can you feel it? Something is behind the clouds.
Okay, so cannot believe that everything is cleared away. My countertops are just filthy. You guys can see. I don't even know what happened here. Oh, Logan made chocolate milk. Okay, so I am going to clean this up, and can you believe, this is almost embarrassing. This is, I mean, this is not all food, but this is boxes, just things that have expired. And it is, I even broke down, so I know these boxes aren't broken down, but I even broke down some of the boxes, and it is an entire trash bag. It's so heavy. That is embarrassing right there. All trash. That was in my pantry. I cannot believe it. Wait till you guys see it. I can't wait to show you.
We just have to believe it, that we can make the sun come out. Let us lose ourselves in a fairy tale. Who can say what's wrong or right? We're the only ones who can decide. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now, 'cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now.
Okay, I am absolutely in love with the way everything came out. I feel like we have a system. I feel like it's organized. I love that everything is labeled because now my kids don't have to go sorting through everything. So I'm hoping that this stays I mean, I hope it stays for a really, really long time. But I just, like I said, I just love the color scheme. I love that it just looks Pinterest worthy. Not that that matters. It really doesn't. But I'm kind of digging that it does. So I try keeping certain items, like similar items in each basket. So dry goods in one basket, vinegars, oils, and condiments in another basket, snacks in another. And I think that you really just have to do what works best for you. But I really love the system that we have going now. My kids have already used it and they are loving it, and maintaining it, which I think is more important. So definitely, I hope that this video motivated you, because trust me, the feeling afterwards is so amazing. So again, I want to go ahead and thank Top Cashback and Grove Collaborative for partnering with me on this video. I will leave a link to Top Cashback in the description bar so that you can go ahead and take advantage of the $4 cashback as well as the $10 Top Cashback sign up bonus when you do spend $25 at Grove Collaborative. Remember that you do get a free bundle gift set when you do spend $20. So a lot of really great offers available to you. So make sure that you go ahead and follow that link that is in the description bar. I hope that you really enjoyed this video and I hope that it motivated you. If it did, please send me your pictures and let me know, or share with me what it is that you do. I'd love to see how this pantry organization inspired you to do a declutter yourself. So again, thank you guys very much for watching today's video. Please make sure to give it a thumbs up, a like, and if you're not currently subscribed, I would really appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button and join our little YouTube family. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one.